Buddy, why are you attacking the bag? I'm planning to donate those books to the thrift store. Buddy, are you trying to eat the books? Yeah. Kinda stunk. Don't act innocent, buddy. I got you on camera. I got you on camera, you goober. I got you on camera. You see? You see? Buddy, would you knock that off?